made an interactive card? Welcome, my crafty friends. I'm Dawn, creator at DD Creates Crafts, and today's video class will show you how to make this super fun interactive card. Are you ready to create some crafts? Let's go step by step, and I'll show you in detail how to make this slider card. First, you're gonna get a base. It's your regular A2 base. It's 8.5 by 5.5. So 8.5 by 5.5 is what you're gonna cut it. Now, here's where we're gonna score it. You're gonna come in at 1 inch and score it. And then you're gonna come in at 5 1/4 and score it. But then we're gonna flip it because on the 5 1/4 side, we are gonna cut off 5/8. Now, what is 5/8? How big is that? Well, let me show you exactly. 5/8, we're gonna come in, you're gonna scoot over to 1/2 inch and then right in the middle, 5/8. You want this? You want my crafty ruler? Let me know below and I will email it to you. So let's come over to 1/2 inch, scoot on over to this little line. And now this, instead of scoring, we're gonna cut it right off. Now, did you notice with my paper trimmer, I could both cut and I can score. So this is a wonderful bang for your buck because it does it all, it does it all. So this is how it's gonna look. We're gonna have a little window right here for our slider. The next thing I'm gonna have you do, now this precious, precious stamp set is out and it's Christmas Friends because this is what we're gonna use to decorate today. And this bundle is on sale. The stamp set and the dies are on sale as we speak, and it is an additional 10% off, making it 20% off total. Next step, white. We're gonna cut some white, 5 1/4 by 4. And this is gonna be for the inside of our card. All right, feel free to share this video with your friends so that they can make an interactive card too. Let's go ahead and adhere this down. You can use glue, you can use tape runner. All right, we have our adhesive and now we're just lining her up and gluing it down right into the center of the inside of our card. It's gonna look like this. Now, I've got to share a secret with you. I am using stuff that's on sale, crafty supplies on sale. So this cardstock is called Summer Splash Cardstock, and it is 8.5 by 11, and it's 10% off today and tomorrow. And then the designer series paper I'm using, and I'm going to use it as if it's Christmas, even though it's not. This is Unbounded Beauty 12 by 12 pattern paper, and it's 20% off. What? So let's measure and let's cut our designer series paper. The first one we're gonna cut at 5 1/4 by 2 3/8. Then your next one, you guessed it, 5 1/4 by 3/4. Those are your measurements for your designer series paper. We've cut our designer series paper, there's the back. Now we're gonna adhere it down onto our Christmas card. All right, so this is gonna go on what is gonna be the front of the card. So we're gonna do that at the top where your fold is, and then the little flap at the bottom, that's where we're gonna put the next one. You can see I'm using my Silicone Craft Sheet. Why? Because nothing, and I mean nothing, sticks to it. All right, now let's Christmas this up. I'm gonna bring in some festive red and white twine, and we're not even a bow. Let's just do us a square knot. So let's just give it a little haircut. Be sure, you may do this time, you may do it again, but to burnish down really crisp and nicely your folds. All right, that just makes it festive, don't you think? Christmas festive, if you will. I got out my real red ink because it matches this festive red and white twine. And you're just gonna close it up, fold it up, and let's do, that's where you stamp it. Happy holidays. And the reason I chose this one, I wanted a Christmas card, yes. However, stinking cute. And guess what? The red ink, all the inks are on sale. What else is on sale? The alcohol markers. We call them blends. But these alcohol markers are so affordable compared to brand X, and they are on sale as we speak. So the ink pad and the blends are 10% off. And if you're like me, that's when I stock up on my goodies, is when things are on sale. A little secret, and I do that with my food pantry as well. I shop when things are on sale, and then when I need something for a recipe, I shop from my pantry. Okay, so we added our festive real red, and now I'm coming in. I'm gonna tell you a little secret. I do not have right now my Summer Splash blends. Guess what I'm ordering? So I'm gonna come in with Pool Party, but you're gonna be pleasantly surprised how this just blends right in and coordinates with the actual Summer Splash, and how matchy-matchy he is, even though it's not the true same color. So for our little bear, where do we shade? Well, we have, with the blends, there's a light and a dark. So with the dark, look, Stampin' Up! Already put the shading in for us. So just repeat where they have his little lines of fur, where they have the shading, and just come in here with the dark and just fudge around with it a little bit. And then what are we gonna do? We're gonna come back, and I won't do the whole thing. It's like watching paint dry and grass grow when you watch somebody color or glue. Color right on top of the dark, and then color in with your light. And then your dark just looks like shadowing, as if it was meant to be, as if I really know how to color. And with the magic of TV, I brought in the one that's already been die cut. He's already good to go. And look at it, all the other little cutesy patootsies that come with this bundle. And you got the dies with it because it's on sale. Now the punch, I only have a 2 3/8 circle punch, 2 inches if you have it, but you know what? Use what you have. When you can, you use what you have, and when you can't, you order it. Or when it's on sale. What? So let's get us some dimensionals, and I'm gonna show you the trick to the trade. Now that you punched out your circle, you're gonna lay them inside, and I did kind of just line it up with the bottom of the fold right there, of the score line, and I'm gonna see where my little bear goes. We're gonna use 2 dimensionals. About that. So I'm gonna put, the reason I'm saying I'm gonna see how wide he is, I'm gonna see how far apart to put my dimensionals. And we also, you see I'm putting them on while this is closed because it's gonna pop up our little cutie patootie here. However, so I'm gonna put this back in here. Now, do we need some cute bling? And I think we do. How about these peppermints? Could you stand it? Can you even stand it? These will be right back in stock. And I will put below the item number so you can find them easy, and the date when they'll be back in stock. Because, yeah, you want them. All right, look. He slides back and forth. Is he the stinking cutest? He just slides back and forth. How do you open your card? You slide him all the way out, and you open your card. And you could put a little stamp up here. We could stamp another teddy bear. We could stamp the, it almost looks like a Charlie Brown Christmas tree. And then put him right back. So here's our 2 Christmas cards. Now you saw how fast this card went. What do you think? What do you think? Then, if you want, I will send you the PDF tutorial for free. So cute. Remember the 3 things. However, I'm gonna add one. Remember, today is the sale and tomorrow is the sale. Remember to follow Dee Dee Creates Crafts. Remember to give me a little heart and show me some love. And remember to come back again and watch real soon. Thanks now, you guys. Bye.